Hey everyone, and welcome back. So in this video, we're talking about how to refund someone on Shopify. So firstly guys, let me show you how to find the transaction inside your admin dashboard. So of course, log in into your Shopify admin right here and click on orders. After that guys, you can just scroll through your list of orders or use the top search bar as well to find a specific order that you wish to refund. So you'll have the search once you have orders here appear in the list. And you can just click directly on the order number to open up the order details page. So in my case, I'll just show you screenshots. This is what it will look like. So at the top right of the order summary, you just click on refund button to launch the processing screen. So you press on this button and then you will have it. You'll have this screen. Also another screenshot, as you can see, all orders, and depending on, of course, the interface, you will have a refund button. And next is selecting which items to refund and manage your store inventory. So under the items list, you can just enter the quantity of each product you want to refund. Setting a quantity to 0 leaves that item out for the refund. And by default, Shopify checks the restock items box. So just leave that ticked if the customer is returning the physical product to your stock. That's the process. Enjoy.